everyone. I don't know if you could see me right now, but do you see all this fog? I don't know, man, it's really fucking eerie. I feel like SoCal has just been having some odd, dense fog lately. I don't know why, and it's also like really cold, and like my car gets really condensated really fast after. I just finished studying in the library. It is currently 2 a.m. right now. I am heading home from the library from studying with my friends. Actually very surprised I was able to upload that video last night. Leading up to it, I was thinking like, dude, this video's not really gonna cut it. Like there's really nothing going on. But luckily I was willing to make something out of nothing and made it work. But we're really into it right now. We are in final season. It's fully commenced right now. I had my first exam today. I have my second one tomorrow. And I got 2 more on Thursday. So, you know, I'm like in it now type shit. So creating car content and content that I actually really want to make rather than it being, you know, academic stuff and school stuff. Can't really stay away from it because that's kind of my life at the moment. But until then, guys, we're gonna be back to our regular schedule, programming, and I'm very, very excited for that stuff. I'm just excited to go home, go shower. It's just crazy because like with final season, there's always people out, like walking around and stuff, and in the library. Like I should have filmed it, but there were still like a good amount of people in the library studying. It's weird because I really tell everyone that I actually enjoy final season in a way, because it's kind of like that sense of community that you get from college that you don't really get often, especially on this campus because it's a commuter school. You know, everyone's at the same place all at once, and it's kind of nice because like not only do you have to lock in, but at least you have to lock in with people around you that are kind of dealing with the same thing also. So you're all in it together on some cute shit. But look at this, guys. What a beautiful sight to see after a long day of locking in. Ooh. It is currently 1:15. I'm gonna go head to school like right now to go ahead and study. I have another exam today at 5. All last night you saw me studying up until, was it like 2 a.m. But I have a feeling tonight that I'm gonna be there for a little bit longer. Before I head to school though, I might go ahead and stop by the supermarket to go grab some stuff just so that, you know, I have food and that I'm fueled throughout the day. But yeah, let's go ahead and head out now. Alright, so I went to Tokyo Central. I went ahead and got 2 onigiris. I got 1 spicy tuna and then another spicy salmon, because low-key the non-spicy tuna or salmon onigiris here don't really taste like anything. And because when I was studying yesterday, I didn't have any sweets. I had Chipotle, but I had no sweets. I made sure to get at least something sweet, some haichu. Now I'm ready to go study. Hello everyone, welcome back. I hear someone loud talking. It's because a little numbnut over here screaming his balls out.
I'm talking at a regular volume.
No, it's not. We all 4 of us have the same exam today.
You have to go to the computer.
He got you grape?
Yeah, bro. What is this flavor? Y'all fuck with Celsius? Have y'all had this flavor? It's not bad, honestly, but I just don't really like flavors like this because it reminds me of like medicine.
He only drinks like a sparkling grape soda.
No, wait. No, I don't. It's not just. Oh gosh. No, it's not just that. Like I drink all flavor. I just don't discriminate.
And Ghost.
Oh,
Ghost grape?
Ghost is good.
Grape, even better.
Oh my gosh, this guy knows ball.
Anything grape tastes like coffee.
It does taste like medicine, but it's still good.
We're all studying right now. We have an exam at 5, and it's currently 3:15. Focus. Oh yeah, it's currently 3:15. Luckily for me, I studied damn near all night last night, and I created this Quizlet to study like back in Sunday. Oh no, on Friday. I made it on Friday. Car, how was your exam this morning?
63 out of a fucking 100, guys. This shit's bullshit, bro. It's okay though. It's okay. This is how the ball rolls. And you know what?
It's just how the cookie crumbles, man.
Yeah, I kissed my professor on the lips, and now I can do all the homework.
We'll go ahead and see you guys right before the exam. Hopefully I remember to film
And
before
after,
then.
you should do before and after.
Yeah, we're gonna do before and after, and yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and take the exam. I'm gonna leave the camera here because it's really cramped in that classroom. So we're doing predictions. What are we getting? It's out of 50.
Out of 50?
Yeah. What you about to get?
Dude, just give me the 40, bro. Just give me the 40. A 41? 41? A 50? Give me a 50. No, realistically, give me like a 41. 41. I'd be happy.
What are you saying?
I'm gonna say 50, but I want like a 45.
45?
55 flat.
You can't get a 55.
55.
It's out of 50.
Watch me.
All right. I'm gonna say I'm gonna get like a 40, 45. Hopefully. I'm gonna leave the camera here.
Actually, I changed my answer. Let me get a 46.
I'll see you guys after. I'm gonna leave the camera here. All right, guys, we had just finished the final. I did decent. I know I said I wanted to get a 45. I got a 43, but it was out of 50. So what, 86%? But I was on the cusp of an A, right? But because I scored that much, it bumped me up to an A. God damn it! So it all worked out at the end. You guys want to share what you guys got on the examiners?
Oh hell yeah!
What did you say?
I said 50, but my first one was 45. I got a 46.
Okay.
First one, I said it right, guys. I said 41, right? But realistically, I was asking for a 41, and I ended up getting a 40, guys. Damn. So it's good. So I bumped my grade up to a B. So we all chill. We outside, we live, and it's all good. You know what I'm saying?
That was like, it's just one more exam down, 2 more to go for me at least, and then we'll be fucking chilling.
Get your Pokemon.
Oh, can we get a pack?
Target, yeah.
Can we get a pack real
Do they
quick?
have
Or
those?
vending machine.
Do they have one?
Let's
Okay.
do that. Let's do that for like a little bit.
Yeah. When we come back.
Okay, cool.
All right, we gotta be quick. All right, we're gonna see you guys when you do the Pokemon pack opening, if that's gonna happen, but I don't know, because that's in the future. Hopefully we're gonna do that.
Split and go 50 bucks each, bro.
I think this is the one you're guaranteed to hit every pack, but it is expensive.
We just don't know if they reseal them. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. They have some pretty cool cards here. They have some pretty nice packs.
How much is it usually per pack?
It is about, it's like 530.
This one has some really cool hits. These ones are really popular right now. Ooh, this one's kind of fire.
How many's in here? 5?
No, that one's only 5, yeah.
Just split it, because I'm not gonna take any cards home. It's just
Really?
for the content, yeah. I'll just split it with you. Just
I'm
maybe
down.
one.
You gonna get a third one then?
Fuck it. What is that? 6 times 3? 18.
7, about 6, 7.
18. So $9 each.
Yeah, 9 bucks each.
And you get to keep them.
Alright, fire. Guys, so we got these today. We got 3 packs. Each comes with 5 cards. We're gonna see if we can get a hit in these. I've never seen this one before, but it looks pretty sick. Completely in Japanese, so we won't know any of the cards.
Yeah. So this is gonna be the first time we're opening packs that are Japanese. Honestly, guys, should I just start doing Pokemon packs? Okay, you know what? Let's just make it a thing now. Okay, fuck it. Because it's kind of fun.
You just rip packs, and then low-key in the comments, if you want it, you can just buy it off Andre.
I'll just give it to you, man. Unless if
just
it's
give
really
it.
valuable. If it's really valuable, fuck out of here, bro. You gotta pay for
You have
that.
to have a threshold. Like above any card above like 20, 30 bucks, like you gotta pay for it. But anything under that, you can just take, you know? Just be like,
Also, give us Rex if you guys have specific packets you guys want us to open. Can I see one?
yeah.
I genuinely don't even know what any of this means, but wait, what was your reasoning for choosing these ones?
I've never seen it.
Oh.
I've seen all of them except for this one, so I don't know. And it's cool because it says Mega at the top, so maybe I'm hoping there's like a higher chance of us getting like a Mega
Card, yeah. Yeah, we're getting Chick-fil-A first, but after that, we'll see you on campus when we unbox the cards. Fun times.
Just want you to have fun. I forgot about that though.
Forgot about it though. All right, guys. Midway through the edit, and Car finally got back. Zach's here. Everyone say hi to Zach. We all each have card packs, and we're gonna see who got the best one. You chose that one?
Yeah, I chose this one.
All right, fuck it. You wanna take that one or this one? Swap it? You wanna swap?
You want to swap? You guys can swap and I'll swap with you.
Alright. Oh, fuck.
Okay, fire.
Because there's only 5 in here.
Shit beats me. This is
Wait,
Japanese.
you've never done it before?
No,
So,
no.
like-
These ones are different though because.
Is it one in the front?
No, I think you just rip it like this. Or is that Korean?
You just rip at it?
Just go.
Okay. Who's going first? You have to do it in front of the camera. You have to do like this.
Alright. These are the back of the card. This is what it looks like. Japanese shit. That's premium.
Okay, I know that Pokemon. Dragoon.
The bullshit card.
Wait, what is that?
Some bullshit. Fuck out of here. Then some shit. Get out, fuck out of here. And that's the last card. Holy
You're lying,
fuck.
you're lying. That's it?
I'm sweating. Ass cheeks.
Ah.
What is it?
What is that?
Let's look at this guy. The
I don't
fucking
even know who
the
that is.
bullshit one, dude. Dude, my shit was ass. What is this?
Alright, what is that?
Oh, I don't know.
Ghastly.
Okay. Okay, this is
One more, last one. last one, last one, last one.
That was fire.
3, 2, 1.
What? Oh my god, bro.
Wait, what are the chances that you get good cards, bro? Wait, this card is fire though.
Wait.
Monetization.
Alright, chat. What is this? You look like a little shit. The way you're just doing.
Oddish? Okay.
Alright, we got 3 more. Ready?
Huh?
One more? I don't think it's good. I kind of saw it peak. It's cooked. It's cooked.
What the fuck
What is that? It looks
It's
cool.
Bunions.
Serpentine.
Shit, bunions.
Serpentile. Something.
Honestly, I think this is the best card that we pulled.
What is that?
I don't know, but it's cool. It's really cool.
You guys got good cards. I got a necklace. Like,
Bro got a
Wait, that was your
necklace.
legendary card? No, what?
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Peace.